Okay, this is the week 5 coding assignment. Okay, step 1 was to create an interface named logger. So we have that here, click interface logger. Step 2 was to add 2 methods to the logger interface, and each to take a string as an argument. So we have those here, we have public void log, string log, and we have public void error, string error. Step 3 was to create 2 classes that implement the logger interface, and they were asterisk logger and space logger. So we have asterisk logger implements logger, and we have public class spaced logger implements logger. All right, step 4 was on the asterisk logger class to create a method for each of the arguments. So you see here, we pulled in the methods from logger. So that's where we have the override here. And for the log method, for asterisks, we had to take the string being passed through and add 3 asterisks to the beginning and the end of the word. So we have log system printout, 3 asterisks plus log plus 3 asterisks. The error method was similar, except it needed to box the message error plus the word and asterisk. So we're printing out 3 lines. We have the top row, just asterisks, and 3 asterisks, error, plus the word passing through, and 3 more asterisks, and then we finish it off with another row of asterisks to box in the message. For the methods for the spaced logger was we need to take the word being passed through and put a space between each letter. So to do that, first in the method, create a log word, which says nothing in it, and did a for loop to iterate through the length of the word being passed through. And what it's going to do is take log word, and then each iteration, I'm going to take the character, that number of runs, add it to log word, and add the blank space, and we're going to print out log word. The error method on the space logger was similar, except it was going to include an error message at the beginning of the word that's spaced out. So again, create a new string that had nothing in it, this time error word, just for consistency. Use the same for loop, use the same method to add the character, each character, the word, plus a space to our error word. And now just on the system printout, just put error at the beginning, space, and then the word. So step 6 was to create a class with a main method we have here called app. And this is where we were going to run each instance of our logger classes, and we implement and test both. So here we created the 2 instances of our loggers with logger asterisk equals asterisk logger, logger space logger equals new space logger. And then we use for string word, I just used Week05 and use that word for each of the 4 methods. So we go ahead and run this. We can see here we have the asterisk log method. Here we have the asterisk error method, the spaced log method, and down here we have the error space method.